Hey guys, today let's learn how to private browsing on Safari iOS 17. So if you are new to the new iOS 17 softwares and you want to go ahead and basically use the private browsing option on your device on Safari, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first in order to do this is to go ahead and launch the Safari options. So launch your Safari devices or applications right here, and what I want you to do once you're already on here in order for us to go to private browsing is to just tap on this multiple tabs right here, or the multiple tabs option to go onto your tabs right here. And all we need to do is to swipe from the current tab that we have onto the private browsing mode and tap on the plus icon to start browsing and searching for a website, whatever one you prefer. So that's how you guys could quickly go to private browsing on Safari on iOS 17. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.